How to play Xbox games on your iPhone or iPad. So, the first thing you want to do is open up Safari on your device, and then in the search bar, we're going to be typing in xbox.com/play, and then you want to search that. Now, that's going to bring you to Xbox Cloud Gaming, where you can see a wide variety of games. What we're going to do is go up to the search icon in the top right corner, and then under search games, you can type in anything. I'm going to type in Fortnite because I know it's free. And then once you're here, it's going to say get ready to play. So you're going to want to tap on that, which is going to say add to your home screen. So this is going to add the Xbox Cloud Gaming app to our phone. So what we're going to do is press the middle button at the bottom, then scroll down and you want to select add to home screen. And then you can change the name if you'd like. I'm just going to leave it. And I'm going to press add in the top right corner, which is going to add the Xbox Cloud Gaming application to my phone. So now I'm going to tap on it to open up Xbox Cloud Gaming. And from here, I'm going to go to the search icon in the top right corner again. And I'm going to type in Fortnite and I'm going to select it. And from here, it's going to ask you to sign in. So if you press sign in here, it's going to bring you to Microsoft's page where you want to sign in with your account. And if you don't have an account, you can create one just beneath it. So once you're signed into your Xbox account, you can press play if you want to just go straight into Fortnite, or you can go back using the back arrow in the top left corner and you can have a look through the games. Now, do bear in mind, a lot of these games do require Ultimate Game Pass for Xbox, but there are some free ones on here. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.